Hi everybody, I'm Robert Hebert and welcome to NWI Educate. Today we're discussing, talking with an author, a published author by the name of Roberto Guerrero. How you doing, sir?
Bob, nice to see you.
It's a pleasure to see you. Thank you
today.
for joining us. I have a copy of your book here, The Mentally Crippled. I wouldn't know what that's like at all. You know, are you? Ask yourself. I love the the dramatic cover that you have here as well. Could you give us a brief description of what your book's about?
It's about the lack of things that we tend to not do. Simple things that we forget to do, which gets us in trouble, which is the basic things from deviating from your knowing what the job is supposed to be, what you're supposed to do in life. But most people tend to deviate, and a lot of people fail when they do that, when you go away from the basics.
I love that. Okay, we get to the back and it went to the basics. The average day when he's talking about basics, and I read the book, I know Roberto, and what he's conveying is something that we always do. We get up every morning, we set up a routine, and we know what our end of day goals are, we know what our weekly goals are, our monthly goals are, but we sway. I always use the adage that we're a ship at sea.
Right.
We know where we've come from, we know where we want to go. The further out you are to make those course corrections, you have to constantly self-correct from the wind, the rain, the currents, the everyday aspects that you discuss in your book. We get up, we turn on the news, we get depressed from the news, we have the kids that go into school who are always in a hurry, they're always late, they're always doing this. All these many distractions that are taking us away from focusing on making the best money choices, making the best food choices, and going back to basics and recentering ourselves. Is that basically in a nutshell? You
got it, and it goes back as far as just stop and think. TVs, the radios, all these different things guide you every day. So if you just stop and think, okay, that's nice, I heard that. Now let me make my own decision from my own thoughts. We just stopped doing that. And as far as going back to the common sense, we lack simple things that we used to do all the time. And once again, just like in your business, you try to guide people back the financial way. I try to do it in a mental way.
Well, it's something that we need constantly. We constantly get distracted.
Yes.
It's easy, like when we're in rapids going down a stream with all the noise, the roars, everything going around you. There's so many things happening at once.
Right.
We lose focus. If we're just drifting downstream in a calm way, peaceful, you can hear the birds chirping kind of concept. Life has many analogies, as we know, but this book helps you get direction and understand purpose. So I'd like to introduce you again to Mentally Crippled. And this is Roberto Guerrero. If you want to order a copy, go to admin@nwieducate.com. Request a copy of Mentally Crippled. And what is the price on this book?
$14.
$14.99 or
even?
$14 even. Well, you're not going to find
Steven.
that. Usually it's $13.99. Come on to the site, and we'll get you a copy for just $14. Give us a call at our office to order a copy at 352-693-3905. Or again, admin@nwieducate.com. I want to thank you all. Mr. Guerrero, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.
I appreciate you, and I hope you all have the best day. And get yourself a copy of this book, Mentally Crippled. Have a great day.
Keep it simple.